Hello everyone, welcome to Cloud Coaching video session. Today's cloud coaching session is around guest satisfaction analytics in hospitality industry. My name is Pavan Kumar Kasetty. I am an analytics specialist with Oracle EMEA domain specialist team, and I am the speaker for today's session. On the next slide, we have a safe harbor statement from Oracle. Request you to take a moment to go through the safe harbor statement. Next, I have the agenda for today's session. So in today's session, we will first understand what hospitality industry is, what is guest satisfaction in hospitality, and what is guest satisfaction analytics, why Oracle Analytics, and a sample Oracle Analytics workbook that I've created for today's session. So what is hospitality industry? The hospitality industry is all about making people feel welcome and comfortable when they are away from home. It's like being a good host to your guests, but on a larger scale. Think of hotels, restaurants, and even theme parks. They're all part of hospitality industry. They work together to provide a great experience for travelers and visitors. In other words, hospitality industry is like a warm and welcoming host, ensuring that travelers feel comfortable and at ease. Whether you are seeking a luxurious hotel stay, a delicious meal, or unforgettable adventures, the hospitality industry has something to offer everyone. From a cozy bed and breakfast to bustling resorts, from quaint cafes to fine dining restaurants, and from guided tours to exciting events, the industry strives to create memorable experiences that leave guests feeling satisfied and happy. Beyond providing essential services, the hospitality industry plays a crucial role in local economies. It generates employment opportunities, attracts tourism, and supports cultural preservation. By welcoming visitors from around the world, the hospitality industry fosters understanding, promotes diversity, and continues to global interconnectedness. In essence, the hospitality industry is a dynamic and ever evolving sector that plays a crucial role in fostering economic growth, cultural exchange, and memorable experiences for individuals worldwide. By providing a diverse range of services and prioritizing exceptional guest experiences, the hospitality industry continues to shape the way we travel and interact with the world. What is guest satisfaction in hospitality? Guest satisfaction in hospitality industry is simply how happy customers are with the services they receive. It's like when you go to a restaurant and have a great meal with friendly service, you leave feeling satisfied. Guest satisfaction in hospitality industry is the key to a business's success. It's about ensuring that customers have a positive and memorable experience from the moment they make a reservation to the time they check out. When guests are satisfied, they are more likely to return, recommend the business to others, and leave positive reviews online. This can lead to increased revenue, a strong reputation, and a long-term customer loyalty. To achieve high levels of guest satisfaction, hospitality businesses must focus on providing excellent service in all areas, from clean and comfortable accommodations to a friendly and attentive staff. By understanding and meeting the needs of their guests, businesses can create a lasting impression and foster a thriving hospitality experience. So, what we mean by guest satisfaction analytics? Guest satisfaction analytics is a powerful way for hospitality businesses seeking to optimize their operations and deliver exceptional guest experiences. By harnessing the power of data, businesses can gain valuable insights into guest experiences, identify trends, and measure the impact of various initiatives. This data-driven approach enables hotels, restaurants, and other hospitality establishments to make informed decisions, personalize services, and proactively address issues that may impact guest satisfaction. Ultimately, guest satisfaction analytics empowers businesses to create a more memorable and enjoyable experience for their guests, fostering loyalty, positive word of mouth, and long-term success. Why is this important? Guest satisfaction analytics offers actionable insights that empower hospitality businesses to understand guest preferences, enhance services, adapt to changing trends, address issues promptly, and foster customer loyalty. By leveraging data-driven insights, hotels, restaurants, and other hospitality establishments can create a more memorable and enjoyable experience for their guests, leading to repeat business. What is the overall goal? The customer satisfaction analytics in hospitality aims to methodically track guest experiences, swiftly address any issues, detect new opportunities, and enhance satisfaction, thereby fostering greater loyalty, repeat business, and ultimately improving the bottom line. Now, how analytics supports guest satisfaction for hospitality? So there are 4 dimensions that I've added here. On all these dimensions, collectively create a model for modern customer experience in hospitality. Each dimension plays a crucial role in shaping the overall guest satisfaction and loyalty. While models may vary, having a holistic approach that considers people, operations, strategic engagement, and technology ensures a well-rounded and guest-centric hospitality experience. So first, let's look at guest-centric people. So this dimension primarily focuses on the people aspect of the hospitality experience, including staff interactions, friendliness, and customer service. In a service-oriented industry, positive interactions with staff significantly impact guest satisfaction. Well-trained and empathetic staff contribute to a memorable and positive guest experience. Operational excellence. This encompasses the efficiency and effectiveness of operational processes, including check-in, check-out procedures, room cleanliness, and overall service delivery. This is important as smooth and efficient operations contribute to a seamless guest experience. Operational excellence ensures that guests encounter minimal disruptions and enjoy a hassle-free stay. The next one is strategic guest engagement. This involves strategic initiatives to engage guests at various touch points, including personalized services, loyalty programs, and targeted marketing efforts. This helps build a deeper connection between the establishment and the guests. Personalized experiences, loyalty rewards, and targeted communication enhance overall satisfaction and encourage repeat business. Finally, we have technology integration, which encompasses the use of technology to enhance guest experiences, including online booking platforms, mobile check-in, and smart room features. In digital age, guests expect seamless and tech-savvy experiences. Integrating technology not only improves convenience for guests, but also provides data for analytics, allowing for better understanding of guest preferences. On this slide, I have added various metrics that can be used to track guest satisfaction analytics. So first we have overall satisfaction score. This is a comprehensive measure of guest overall satisfaction with their experience. Then we have Net Promoter Score, sometimes also referred to as Guest Experience Score in systems, indicates the likelihood of guests recommending the establishment to others, reflecting customers' loyalty. Then we have Customer Effect Score, Customer's Effort Score, which assesses the ease with which guests can fulfill their needs or resolve issues. Then we have Response Time to Guest Issues, which monitors how quickly and effectively the establishment addresses and resolves guest concerns or complaints. Then we have Repeat Business Rate, or the rate of return guests, which tracks the percentage of guests who return, a key indicator of customer loyalty. Then Online Review Ratings analyzes ratings and reviews on platforms like TripAdvisor, Yelp, or Google to gauge public perception and identify strengths and weaknesses. Then we have Employee Performance Metrics, which evaluates staff performance through metrics like friendliness, helpfulness, knowledge, etc. As personnel play a crucial role in guest satisfaction. Then we have check-in and check-out efficiency. This assesses the speed and smoothness of check-in and check-out processes, as these directly impact the guest experience. Then we have room turnaround time, which measures the time it takes to prepare and turn around rooms for new guests, ensuring a prompt and efficient service. Finally, we have Food and Beverage Satisfaction Score, which monitors guest satisfaction with on-site dining options, including the quality of food, service, and overall dining experience. This slide shows a high-level architecture of guest satisfaction analytics for hospitality. The hospitality industry can have numerous data sources, both internal and external, such as CRM system, property management system, feedback management system, guest loyalty program system, online review platforms, social media, industry benchmarking systems, etc., which they use for their day-to-day operations. Oracle Technologies can extract data from all of these systems in both real-time and in batch processing, and can load data into a data mart or a data warehouse. We can then use Oracle Analytics to generate insights from this data and can also leverage recommendation engine in the database and spatial analysis. In addition to this, organization can also leverage AI services on Oracle Cloud infrastructure such as Vision AI, document understanding service, speech service, language services, and also the data science platform to perform various operations on the guest satisfaction data. The insights generated can later be consumed from Oracle Analytics and can be accessed by various personas such as guest experience manager, online reputation manager, marketing analyst, revenue manager, etc. So why Oracle Analytics for hospitality? Oracle Analytics embedded no-code AI and machine learning capabilities can revolutionize hospitality operations. By leveraging these tools, businesses can deliver personalized experience. They can create tailored recommendations and offer for individual guests based on their feedback and preferences. Or establishments can predict and prevent issues. They can proactively identify potential problems such as high R&R rates using predictive analytics and anomaly detection. Organizations or establishments can also dynamically adjust room rates in real time based on demand, perceived value, and other relevant factors such as upcoming events, etc. Oracle Analytics built-in last-mile data preparation capabilities empower hospitality businesses to gain deeper insights into guests. They can combine data from corporate sources, local facilities, and online channels to create a comprehensive understanding of guest behavior and preferences. One can proactively address issues. They can quickly identify, investigate, and resolve guest satisfaction problems at individual establishments. Establishments can also drive strategic decision making. They can support managers in identifying trends, optimizing resource allocation, and managing costs and inventory effectively. Oracle Analytics Unified Data and Analytics Platform offers enhanced accountability, which empowers employees with contextual analytics, fostering transparency and accountability within organization. It provides organizations with scalable performance, which provides a robust platform capable of handling vast amounts of data from internal and external systems. And it also generates real-time insights, which delivers a comprehensive view of business operations through real-time data integration from multiple data sources. Now, let us look at a sample workbook that I've created on Oracle Analytics, which helps us understand guest satisfaction. For the purpose of today's demo, let us assume that we own a group of hotels across various cities in the United Kingdom. And now let me walk you through the content that I have added on the workbook. On the overview canvas, I have added the title on the top, and then I have added a bunch of KPIs on the next. So the first KPI that we have is guest satisfaction score. So what is the guest satisfaction score? This basically tells how happy our guests are with various services that we offer. Then we have net promoter score. This is also known as guest experience score in certain systems. And this KPI basically indicates the likelihood of guests recommending our hotels to others, which reflects customer loyalty. Then we have net income. This is the income on an average that we are making across our hotels on a daily basis. Then average revenue per available room. We have repeat guest rate. So this is the percentage of guests who are likely to come back and stay with us in a specific period of time. And the next one is average length of stay, which tells us that on an average, guests are staying around 4 days in our hotels each time they visit us. Then we have guest satisfaction plotted across various cities such as Manchester, Cambridge, Oxford, Cardiff, and Plymouth. And then I have another visualization in which I have plotted the guest satisfaction score, the orange bar here, and the net income, which is the blue bar here, across various months. And then finally, we have another visualization here, which mentions or which highlights guest satisfaction score of the previous quarters versus the quarters of the previous year. So I've not just placed the KPIs, I have also plotted the trend of these KPIs. So you can see how guest satisfaction is performing over a period of time, how net promoter score is performing over a period of time, how net income and other KPIs are performing over a period of time. So from this visualization and from this visualization, we can quickly see that our guest satisfaction score was good till May. However, starting June, we see a decline in the guest satisfaction score, which is not a good sign. So guest satisfaction score directly impacts our net revenue. And as you can see, starting June, even our net income is slowly decreasing. And this visualization here also says that the guest satisfaction score of current quarter is just 6.9. However, the same time previous quarter, the guest satisfaction score was much higher. The same time previous year, the guest satisfaction score was much higher. It was around 8.2. So all these visualizations say that something is happening in the recent times, which is impacting our guest satisfaction score. Now let us understand what is happening, which is impacting our guest satisfaction score. So in this map visualization, we see that the guest satisfaction score across various cities, right? Such as guest satisfaction score in Manchester, Cambridge, Cardiff, Plymouth, they all look good. Okay. However, there is one city called Oxford in which the guest satisfaction score doesn't look good. It's just 6.2. So let us understand what is happening. So it looks like something is problem in this city alone. So let's understand what's happening in Oxford. So for that, let me just drill down to the city level. Okay, so we have a canvas which shows the data at the city level. Again, I've placed the same set of KPIs on the top, the guest satisfaction score, net promoter score, etc. So you can see how guest satisfaction score at Oxford level is just 6.2. The net promoter score again is not good, it's 6.65. And that is directly impacting our net income. It has reduced to 275K per day, and revenue per hour available room. And look at the repeat guest rate. It is just 33% or 34%, which means that only 34% of the guests who visit us are likely to visit again. This is not a good sign. And the average length of stay is just around 3 days in this particular city. Then I have another visualization in which I have plotted guest satisfaction score and net promoter score across various hotels we have in the city. For the purpose of today's demo, I've considered 4 hotels and I've plotted both guest satisfaction score and net promoter score by hotel. Then we offer various room types in our hotels, such as we have standard rooms, family rooms, deluxe rooms, suites. So this visualization here plots guest satisfaction score received by guests across various room types. And here we have a visualization which plots guest satisfaction score by various amenities we provide. Some of the amenities that we provide are restaurant and bar, pool and spa, fitness center, business centers, etc. And then we have another visualization which plots both net promoter score, guest satisfaction score by seasonality and room type. So you can see off season how our guest satisfaction score is coming up, and peak season how the guest satisfaction score is across different room types. Okay, now we understand that we have a challenge in this city, right? So how do we investigate further? So this visualization here clearly says that even though we have 4 hotels in this particular city, for Hotel 1, Hotel 2, and Hotel 4, the guest satisfaction score looks good. However, for Hotel 3, the guest satisfaction score is not good. So now I understand that even in Oxford, the problem is not with all the hotels. There are some hotels which are doing very good, but there is one hotel which is actually not doing good. So let us get more details about this hotel. So if I click on here, we can see what this hotel has: different rooms, suite, deluxe, family room, and standard room. And you can see the guest satisfaction score. From suite, we get just 2, which means that guests who stayed in suite are not at all happy staying in this suite. And similarly with the deluxe rooms, family room, standard room, etc. And even the amenities also. So none of the amenities are getting good ratings. All of them are less than 5. So it's not, now I understand that it's not problem with a specific room type or a specific amenity in this hotel. Looks like there is a very generic issue that's there in this hotel. So how can we investigate further? One way is to look at the comments that guests leave when they check out. And now for the purpose of this demo, I have already captured the comments and we have that saved in our database. So once we have the comments, how can Oracle Analytics help us investigate more and generate insights from the comments? So we have a functionality called data flow inside Oracle Analytics. What is a data flow? Data flow is a lightweight ETL tool built into analytics, which can help business users primarily in 2 use cases. The first use case is business users can bring in data from various data sources, perform various transformation activities as we can see here, and then create curated data sets on top of which they can generate insights. That's use case number 1. Use case number 2 is if we have citizen data scientists in the team and if they want to create and implement their own machine learning models, we can also do that. So what are the various machine learning models or algorithms that are supported? As you can see, we have time series forecast, sentiment analysis, numeric prediction, multi-classification, clustering, binary classifier, etc. In addition to this, we can also leverage or use the very powerful AutoML functionality of Oracle database. So these are the out-of-the-box algorithms or models that are available in Oracle Analytics Cloud. So for the purpose of today's demo, I have a table in which I have stored the review comments. So as you can see here, we have a room type in which the guest stayed, what is the seasonality when they visited us, the review date, the hotel, review comment, etc. So on top of this, I would like to perform two activities. The first thing is I would like to do sentiment analysis. So how do I do that? It is very simple. We just drag and drop the algorithm or the model here, and we just tell Oracle Analytics which column contains the text that we want to analyze. In this case, I would like to analyze the review, which is available in review column. So all I'm telling Oracle Analytics is, you please review text that is available in this particular column, and you add a new column called sentiment to the dataset. So it has already added a sentiment column to the dataset by deriving the sentiment from this particular review. The similar way, and then once I do this, I can go ahead and save the dataset back in as a local copy on Oracle Analytics, or I can save it back in the database. The next step that I want to do is a text tokenization to understand what are these review comments telling us. Okay, so in addition to text tokenization, we also support various database analytics functions. These are some of the functions that are available in Oracle database. Because Oracle Analytics and Oracle database complements each other, we are able to directly leverage the functions that are available in Oracle database from Oracle Analytics Cloud itself. So in this case, I would like to do text tokenization again on top of the review column, and then we go ahead and save the data as a local copy in Oracle Analytics, or we can save it back to the database. So once we save the data, then we can generate insights again. So here I have another canvas which tells us about the guest sentiments. So what it says is we have received overall 81 guest reviews, out of which 53 or most of these reviews are classified as negative by Oracle Analytics machine learning model. There are very few review comments which are classified as neutral, and we have some which are classified as positive. So where is this negative comments coming? Is it coming from a specific period? So this visualization here gives us the answer. So it says that no, it's not coming across from a specific period. This looks like a very generic. It's coming across all the days starting July. So the red part here represents a negative comment. So we can see that, starting July, every day we are receiving negative comments. And is this negativity again coming from a particular room type and amenities? Let's check this visualization. This visualization here says that no, it's not coming from a specific season, specific room type, or specific amenity. It's across all. So irrespective of whether a guest is coming in off season, peak season, which room they're staying, which amenity they're using, they're all rating the service as negative. Now here, the text tokenization visualization, this actually helps us understand the issue in a little more detail. So now this visualization tells us what these review comments are primarily talking about. So if you look here, most of these comments are around cleanliness. So guests are complaining around cleanliness, disgusting, dirty, towels, smelling terrible, etc. So now I understand that, okay, maybe this particular hotel is not clean. That's why, irrespective of which particular room, which particular amenity guests are using, they all are giving negative comments. Okay, now this is a little surprising because at a group level, we actually outsource the maintenance contract to different contractors. Now let's see what's actually happening with contractors. Okay. So these are the various approved contractors that we have in Oxford. We are tied up with 5 contractors. What is the cost of these contractors? How much experience they have, and how are they rated against different services they provide? So for example, if you look at contractor 1, this is classified as a high cost contractor. They have an experience of 10 years in this particular field. They are good at digital marketing, excellent in information technologies, excellent in maintenance, outbound sales, good, and overall rating is also good. And similarly, you can see we have rated other contractors as well. Now here, this visualization tells me the contractors that I am currently working with. So for Hotel 3, we can see that From July 2023 till June 2024, we were working with Contractor 1. And if you look here, Contractor 1 was excellent in maintenance. So we never had any issue. The guests were all happy. However, for some reason, we have ended the contract of Contractor 1. And starting July 2024, we have provided or we have given the contract to Contract 5. And from this visualization, we understand that Contractor 5 is not good in maintaining. You see, the maintaining is just 2. So now we understand why this particular hotel, why guests in this particular hotel are not happy, because the hotel is not clean. And now we understand the reason also why the hotel is not clean, because we have given the maintenance contract to a contractor who is not rated good in the maintenance. So as a group head, or now we clearly understand the reason why our guest satisfaction score is declining at a group level. And now we need to take action. Maybe we will have to immediately end the contract of this contractor and give the contract again back to Contractor 1 or any other contractor in the list who are good in maintenance, so that we address the issue at hand and we bring back our guest satisfaction score onto track. So this way, Oracle Analytics actually helps you look at the data at a summary level, and if you find identify if there is a problem area, and in case if there is a problem area, it lets you perform various activities such as drill down, slicing in, slicing out, to identify the root cause of issue, and then lets you take necessary actions to ensure that we address the issue at hand. With this, I would like to conclude this session. Before concluding, I would like to summarize what we have learned in this session. Today we have seen what hospitality industry is, what is guest satisfaction in hospitality industry, what is guest satisfaction analytics, how Oracle Analytics can help you with guest satisfaction analytics, and a sample use case or a sample workbook that we have created for guest satisfaction on Oracle Analytics. Hope this session was informative, and thank you for attending this session.